Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to online class. I hope you all are good and must be studying enthusiastically. Today we will be doing language exercises from lesson Do the Boys Hall from your textbook. First exercise is related to adjective. Firstly, let's just review the adjective briefly. Students, when we use adjective, actually we are saying something about noun or pronoun. Adjectives are words that describe or modify other words, making your speaking or writing much more specific and interesting. Look at here. There are few examples. The lazy boy was punished. In this example, lazy is an adjective. Is used along with the noun boy. In second example, Mr. Sharma is an honest man. Honest shows the quality of Mr. Sharma. In third example, he showed much patience. Much is an adjective in this sentence. Let's move towards exercise A. The question is, complete these sentences by adding adjective. First sentence, John painted the door. Here you have to put adjective. I added here white as an adjective. You can use any adjective here. First sentence of this exercise has been done and you have to do the remaining sentences of this exercise. Answers of these sentences have been given in PDF. Let's move to next exercise, exercise B, page number 12. This exercise is related to infinitive. Students, quickly recalling the infinitive. This is the first form of verb followed by to. Example, he was eager. You have to add here infinitive. He was eager to play for the school. To play here infinitive, and these are extra words. Let's move towards exercise B. First sentence, I am very sorry. You have to add here infinitive. I am very sorry to disturb you. To disturb you is an infinitive. First sentence have been done. Now you have to complete this exercise yourself and answers have been given. Let's move towards exercise C, page number 13. The question is, add for with the noun or pronoun given. First sentence, it is easy to talk you. Within bracket, pronoun has been given. So you will add here for. It is easy for you to talk. First sentence have been done. The remaining sentence of this exercise you have to do yourself. Let's move towards next exercise. Exercise D, page number 13. Question is, add of with the noun or pronoun given. Sentence number 1. It was very sensible to stay at home. You have been given has been given in bracket. You have to put here of. It was very sensible of you to stay at home. First sentence has been done. The remaining sentence of this exercise you have to do yourself. Now we have a paragraph to translate into English. आज मैं सौदा सुलफ लेने दुकान जाऊंगा। दुकानदार तमाम चीज़ों का वज़न करेगा और उन्हें एक बड़े कागज़ के थैले में बांध देगा। अनकरीब दुनिया प्लास्टिक के थैलों की जगह कागज़ के थैलों का इस्तेमाल करेगी। Students, this paragraph has been given in PDF. This translation is related to future simple tense. Let's just have a brief overview of future simple tense. This tense shows an action that will begin in future. Let me tell you structure. First, subject, then auxiliary verb will or shall, which you may commonly say as helping verb. After this auxiliary verb, first form of main verb, then object. This structure is of affirmative sentence. Example, the teacher will teach us. If you want to make negative of this sentence, subject, then auxiliary verb, will or shall, and not. First form of main verb and object. Example, the teacher will not teach us. And if you want to make interrogative of this sentence, auxiliary verb will come in the beginning of the sentence, that is will or shall. You will write in the beginning of the sentence, then subject, first form of main verb and object. At the end of the sentence, you will put here sign of interrogation. Example, will the teacher teach us? And sign of interrogation. Now students, with the help of this structure, you can easily translate this paragraph into English. This was all about today's class. I hope you got everything very well. Thank you.